first time in a car wash. Let's see. Well, scan your tickets and then we're off.
Your code has been authorized.
Thank you, ma'am.
What should I say?
Also, it's fully automated. Well, that's a big stop sign, so we'll stop. Put car in neutral. Oh, most of them on like a little ramp now.
Anything is up? You feeling well?
Right. Make sure your windows are up, people. Come on. Seems like a thunderstorm, but oh wow. That's right. Soap now. Just recording, thanks at home.
It's like, what's happening?
Permanent risk. The car say, oh, wow, permanent risk, active risk of rolling away. Wash off now. And so the dryer there. So now outside this dryer is here. Oh, them with the small and seat. Okay. Interesting.
Everyone drives it down.